Holy shit. Moist Man here. T. Kirk Media, other known names, I guess. Tyler, I'm your host. This is my GCA project I've been working on for quite some time. In the last video I put out, I claimed to have probably have a new camera by the time I put this motor in. That is not the case. We're still filming on the GoPro Hero 9 Black, so unfortunate. I don't know if you call it, I mean, it's still a good camera, but it's not the camera I wanted to be filming this, putting this in with, but that's okay, because if I were to hold off and wait for the camera, it would be like another week's time before I do this video, so I figure get her done. Really, all I've got to do, I mean, most of this stuff can be done while it's in the car. It's just more annoying. So I think we'll leave it that way. We'll just curse ourselves later. We'll do an engine dress-up video. How's that sound? But shit, yeah. We're putting the EJ205 into a 99 Impreza 2.5 RS that has a 6-speed already in it, along with the newly added Chase Bays clutch line, some kind of hardline delete stuff. Looks good, sprinkled in there. Moist Man here, dripping per usual. Trying to get it done. Today's the day. We're gonna lower this motor in, hopefully with not very many complications. I've done a few of these in my time, not a few, but a couple, not like crazy amount. I'm blowing up a couple. Let's just get past that point. Anyways, we're doing another one, put another one in, and hopefully we'll run into minimal issues. But because really the reason why I don't want to run into a lot of issues is because once I start, I have to kind of pivot the car out, and then to have the space in here, it'll work, but the car's got to hang out, so I can't shut the garage once I start, or maybe I will be able to, but I gotta sort through it, and I'd rather just get it in, even if it's not like the starter's not on, but like there's a couple bolts holding it in, the nuts are on. Fine, call it good as it goes into my eyes, man. Miserable. Anyways, this is the spread. It's good, G. Subscribe if you haven't already. Are you seeing this? That's an engine in the engine bay. Hot damn. That's what I'm saying. I'm proud. I'm happy. It's done. I mean, it's not all the way done. There's a couple of 14 mils that need the little nuts go on the bottom, but it's sticking through. So I gotta jack it up to put the down pipe on, the mid pipe on. So, and I gotta put fluids in the trans, fluids in the diff. There's still a ways to go. All kinds of work to do on the car. But one milestone is getting that clutch on and putting the motor in. That's huge for progress on this build. Even though we're lacking in the harness, we are sorting through that. I will have answers for that hopefully next video. Maybe I'll throw it in the Honda content video, because I do need to put some content out for the Honda. I've been storing some videos that I've been working on. I just had a slew of problems that I needed to address that I hadn't addressed, and they're just kind of, they were building up and they got worse and they got worse and they got worse, and now I've been fixing it. And so as I've come closer to fixing it, I've realized, oh, this is a different issue. And then I'm just chasing the dragon basically and trying to, yeah, trying to sort through it. It's a mess. It's 90s. It's the deal. But it's my mess. It gets me to work. There's work needs to be done to it. So expect that in the future. Honda content, Subaru content, all kinds of content. I'm excited. I'm motivated. I got shit to do. So make sure you subscribe, comment for more, like for more. I don't know. Tell me a joke. Tell me a good joke. Yeah. Thanks for watching.